Ever wondered what makes websites so visually appealing? What gives them that unique flair and personality? The answer lies in a powerful tool called CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Think of a website like a house. The HTML or hypertext markup language serves as the foundation and structure. It's the bricks and mortar. But CSS, that's the paint, the curtains, the plush sofa in the corner. It's what makes a house feel like a home and a website feel like an inviting, engaging space. CSS is a style sheet language used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. It enables you to control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. This can save a lot of work, as it makes it possible to control the layout of numerous web pages all at once. So, how does CSS work? It's all about selectors and declarations. Selectors are used to select the HTML element that you want to style. Declarations are made up of two parts: the properties you want to change and the values you want to change them to. Let's start with an example. Imagine you want to change the color of all the headings on your website. The selector would be H1, the property would be color, and the value could be any color, like blue. So your CSS code would look like this: H1, color, blue. Advanced CSS involves more complex techniques, like pseudo-classes, media queries, and animations. Pseudo-classes allow you to style elements in a specific state, like when a button is hovered over. Media queries make your website responsive, adjusting its layout depending on the screen size. And animations, they add that extra bit of pizzazz, making elements move or change over time. Now, why do we need CSS? It's all about enhancing the user experience. Aesthetically pleasing, responsive, and intuitive design makes a website more engaging and easier to navigate. It also helps to establish and reinforce brand identity. In summary, CSS is the language that makes the web beautiful. It's used to style and lay out web pages, to control how they look on different devices, and to add animation and interactivity. It works in conjunction with HTML, selecting elements and declaring how they should look. From basic color changes to complex responsive designs, CSS is the behind-the-scenes magician making the web a visually delightful place to be. Remember, CSS is not something to be afraid of. It's a tool, a brush to paint your web canvas, so pick it up, get creative, and see what you can create. With CSS, the web is your oyster.